Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we'll learn to use filter function. I'll show you how to use filter function to create real-time dynamic filters in Excel. Here's a dataset that contains products, categories and sales. Let's say we want to pull only the products in electronics category but do it dynamically using a formula. The formula we'll use is filter is equal to filter array will select the data, comma, including the second column where it is equal to electronics, double inverted comma, close bracket, close. Here we are saying it to filter the data that has electronics category in it. Let's make it flexible. For example, if I write furniture here and cell reference it in this formula where the second column is equal to furniture, it gives me the products that belong to furniture category. Now anyone can type a category and your list will change accordingly. Let's type electronics. If nothing matches, Excel will throw a error #CALC. To fix it, we can add the last argument which is if empty, no results found. We have to write it in double inverted comma. So, if the category written here does not belong to the table, it will give no results found. You can also add multiple filters. Let's say we want the electronics category with sales over 1000. So, we can add another argument here. First, let us put this first argument in bracket, add a multiplication sign and select the third column and greater than 1000, bracket close, hit enter. So you will get the output with electronics category that has sales over 1000. And that's it. Filter function gives you dynamic real-time filtering in just one formula. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.